Still Phantom won? That was the hardest game in the world.
Dude, I'm on a 5-game losing streak. I fucking need this.
We're gonna get that 6th win. Yes, GOAT. GG. The power of friendship once again proves victorious.
Yeah, I low-key might have lied about being on a losing streak and what my rank was.
Yeah, you're not a good person, by the way. You're not a good person, bro. You know God hates liars. You know that shit's a sin.
Shit, why the fuck did you leave?
Because I have fucking like 30 HP and there's 3 of them.
Dude, you fucking blow.
Says you.
Yeah, I died because I was alone, you fucking retard.
Fuck you.
Fuck you, you're fucking shit. You haven't done shit all lane.
Says you.
Yeah, it says me who's actually getting damage.
Wait, do you want to just switch lanes? Shiv, do you want to come here?
I can't help but notice you haven't dropped me off. Be careful.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, thank you, Wraith.
Getting chased.
Bro said the N-word too much to actually kill me. Hey, we won! Let's go! I'm chasing his ass.
Slow hex.
What the fuck? That got
No, I'm
me?
not even near that.
Yeah, did anyone see that? What the fuck? That grabbed. Nah.
Yeah,
I
we
love
didn't
my
tell-
whole team. Everybody's really great on this team.
So true, bro. Even the minorities.